This 1/2 size ADM violin set offers a clear, bright tone that is surprisingly refined for an entry-level instrument thanks to its thoughtfully chosen wood and solid construction. The matte finish with subtle decorative touches gives the violin a distinctive look that stands out without feeling like a toy, which many young players appreciate. As a true student-oriented size, it suits children and smaller teens who are just starting lessons, making it a practical step before moving to a full-size instrument. The included hard case, bow, rosin, shoulder rest, clip-on tuner, spare string, and cleaning cloth create a complete starter package that lets a beginner begin playing right away. Tuning is straightforward and stable because the pegs turn smoothly, yet hold their position, so new players spend more time practicing and less time fighting slipping strings. Overall, this set balances playability, durability, and visual appeal in a way that makes it an encouraging first instrument for young learners and casual adult beginners alike.